So as you're getting more field experience, more pitches out, it's really important that you're evaluating your pitch. You want to identify where you're consistently good and where you need improvement. Consistently good means, are they engaged? Are they listening to you? So remember, keep what's working, change what's not working. Pretty simple stuff here, but you've got to evaluate this on a constant basis. At the end of the day, this training is about the results pyramid and increasing your ratio at each stage of it. So when we're talking about evaluating your pitch, you want to find the point in the results pyramid that you're able to consistently get to. And that means that everything up to that point is good. Don't change anything. If you're consistently able to get to the owner, then that means your intro, short story, presentation, everything up to getting to the owner in your pitch is good. But if you're getting to a lot of owners, but none of them want to hear your pitch or let you go through the presentation, then there's the hole in the boat, right? So you got to keep everything up to the point that's working, and we've got to drastically change whatever's going on once you get to the owner. Same thing. If you're getting pitches out, if you're reaching owners and people are letting you get through the whole presentation, it makes sense, they understand the math, but none of them want to continue talking to you, none of them really turn into targets, then what that means is you're doing a really good job getting to owners, making contacts, getting to the pitch, but when it's time to actually engage with them or something in your pitch is making them not want to engage with you, that's what we need to identify, and then that's where we need to start making some tweaks. And this is how you become a pro, okay? Nobody comes out of the gate just as a pro. You have to play the numbers game. That doesn't take skill. That takes work ethic. Everything else, I give you a little bit of skill to increase the ratio so that the number of people you're talking to, we want the highest percentage of them to be owners. Out of those owners, we want the highest percentage of them to allow you to do the full pitch. Out of the people that do the full pitch, you want the highest percentage of them to be interested and ask buying questions and become targets. Out of the people that are targets, you want the highest ratio of them to turn into deals. And obviously, once they sign up, you want 100% activation rate. Okay, so let's start being aware of this. Identify how far you're getting, do everything the same up to that point, and let's start tweaking things on the back end to increase the ratio moving forward. That's what we're here for. You have support, you have systems, you have the 28-day training course, you have all these resources to use. Don't get stuck on the stuff that you're already good at. Start identifying where you're slacking, where your ratios are low, and ask for help on those specific things. And remember, you've got to go one step at a time. We're not going to teach you how to convert more targets into deals if you're having a hard time reaching owners to begin with, right? We have to go in the right sequence. Whatever point you're struggling at, communicate with us so we can help you get to the next stage in the pyramid, all the way down one step at a time. That's how this works. And wherever you're at, take it easy on yourself, okay? Nobody's a pro right out of the gate. Some people start hotter and some people have a longer learning curve, but the ones that stick it out long term and make the tweaks and adjustments along the way and don't expect things overnight are the ones that make it long term and become financially free and own their life in this business. So let's just make the little tweaks along the way. But to do that, you have to be honest and evaluate your pitch and let us know how far you're consistently and successfully getting through the pyramid, and then we can help you from there.